back, children. Welcome to Refresh Concepts with me, Dinesh Modi. Let's proceed further with one more sum of 2 proof. Children, this is a very good quality sum, and the sum itself will tell you once we do the solution. What this particular sum says, it says sec raised to 6x minus 10 raised to 6x is 1 plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x is what we are supposed to prove. Now, those who have watched all the videos up till now, we have catered one kind of, in fact, we have done 2 sums where we have done to the power 4. Dash to the power 4 was there. So what did we do so? Square the whole square. We did square the whole square. But here, instead of power 4, we have power 6. So children, I just want to make you all understand that whenever we have such type of question, say for example, if I'm having a question which says a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6, then we have 2 answers, children. What? Either I can say a square the whole cube minus b square the whole cube, or I can say a cube the whole square minus b cube the whole square. When we have a raised to 6 minus b raised to 6, one can say a square the whole cube minus b square the whole cube, 2 3s are 6. Likewise, one can say a cube the whole square minus b cube the whole square, 3 2s are 6. Children, this is what I was saying, that this sum is a very good quality sum. Why? Because we have to be very prudent enough, wise enough in selecting either first one or second one. Right? Pure correct selection will give you answer in a very short form. Sir, what exactly are you going to take over here? The first one or the second one? We are going to apply the first one. What shall we apply? We shall apply the first one. Let's see what the question says. So we start with our LHS. Sec raised to 6x minus 10 raised to 6x. Right? As I stated that we are going to take the first one. So how will I write down this as? Sec square x the whole cube minus 10 square x the whole cube. Sec square x the whole cube minus 10 square x the whole cube. Now, one formula what we are going to learn today, I think so, in your lower classes, you all have come across this particular formula. You all have come across with this particular formula. Those who feel that no sir we haven't, then you all can memorize the same right now. What is the formula? It says that a cube minus b cube is a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab a minus b. What is a cube minus b cube given to us as? A cube minus b cube is nothing but a minus b the whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. I think so to many, the picture is very clear. Don't you think so that this should be taken as a, this should be taken as b. So we have a cube minus b cube. Children, what shall be the answer? Our answer is a minus b the whole cube. Our answer is a minus b the whole cube. So a sec square x minus b, which is 10 square x the whole cube, plus 3, again a sec square x dot sec square x dot b 10 square x, a minus b sec square x minus 10 square x, sec square x minus 10 square x. We have simply applied the formula. We have simply applied the formula. Now children, sec square x minus 10 square x. Those who are very well versed with the identities, sec square minus 10 square, answer is 1, the whole cube. Plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x. Once again, sec square minus 10 square, answer is 1. Why sir? This is the reason, children, since 1 plus 10 square x is sec square x, therefore sec square x minus 10 square x is equals to 1. 1 plus 10 square is sec square minus 10 square is 1. 1 cube 1 plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x. This is multiplied by 1, so it is as it is. 1 plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x. 1 plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x into 1 is as it is. That's what our RHS is. That's what our RHS is, children. Since LHS is equals to RHS, I'll write down my entire sum. Sec raised to 6x minus 10 raised to 6x is equals to 1 plus 3 sec square x dot 10 square x. I hope my children have understood. So what is the key to this kind of sum? This formula.